Hey, assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome back to Shib update today. So there's something I want to show you regarding Shib right now. So number one is that you are in accumulation phase, okay? And I'm going to tell you what's happening here. So you went to the downside, you broke the downtrend, of course, and you're still in accumulation. So if I do drop a trend line here, you can see that that was your support and resistance, and you finally still managed to make it down to that support line as well. So this is more like a very weird kind of retest going on, where you broke up, you retested, and you were meant to go back up. You didn't do that. You came for a double retest, triple retest, and a quadruple retest. But this might actually be the final nail in the coffin, okay? This could be the actual final retest, and I'm going to tell you why. Now that is support and resistance, okay? But there's even complexity that goes into this, and that is this accumulation zone right here, okay? This is almost like a it's almost like a Wyckoff accumulation going on, which is a very good sign for things to move back up. And also on the RSI, you have a regular bullish divergence. You're moving down and you're moving sideways. This is a regular bullish divergence. Now, it doesn't look to me like SHIB is any interested to come down to 1825 at all. I don't really think it's doing that, even though it's a wick here and it looks like the plan is to get the wicks. But I'm going to tell you that this could be the spring zone. This is known as the spring zone, and it actually always happened like this. So you have the spring, and then from here you go back up to move even higher. Now for reference, let's get into Google, and this is your face right now with Shib, I know, but don't worry. Thing is, gonna get back and click the back button. Actually, let's just open up Google, and yeah, no, this is basically what I want to show you. So you have accumulation schematic of Wyckoff events and phases. So you have the phase A, you have the phase B, you have the C, D, and E, right? And right now you are at, particularly you're looking at phase C of this one right here. So I think you're just down at the spring. Do you see that? This is what I was telling you in that pattern as well. So you have your support lines, and you also have the support lines here. So basically this is to take the stop loss here, to take the stop loss here. That's why you go for a spring. So the spring is really deep down because they want to take the stop losses over there. So if you go back and if you watch what's happening here, we can actually drop in the trend line. Okay, so you drop in the trend line, and this is how the trend line looks like so far. Okay, now that trend line here, actually this was pretty much your phase A. You had the B, and you're really literally at the C right over here, and you took the stop loss at the spring right over there. So look, this really matches every single thing that Wyckoff really has. If you notice, this was a move up, right? If you go into the pattern here, that is your move up, okay, and a move to the downside. Before that you have move down, okay, move down, move up, move down. Okay, these are the three to start off. So it really matches. You have the move down, move up, and again I think this is another move down right over here. And then you went for this particular move right over here, and then you started to push up again. So if you notice, you came down as well, and then you pushed up, and then you came down here, okay, and here it is. So you went up and then you came down again for the spring. Isn't that what is exactly happening? Every single thing is matching with this right over here. How many people on YouTube are going to tell you this? But I'm here telling you. And it's not only Luna Classic, but it's also it's not just SHIB, but Luna Classic also has the pattern. It also has this very similar pattern right now. So you do have a chance with Luna Classic as well. And then from here, you have this coming next, right? And also that doesn't really stop, because you're going to break above the AR and the PS, and then you're going to go for SOS, and then you're going to even pump even further high. So basically, let's predict what is happening and what is expected in the future, and that is taking in the trend line, dropping in the trend line like this. And what you're looking now is to go above here, break above, go for the SOS right over here, and then go even further up. If this video helps you, make sure you're following the channel, as you may lose this channel and you don't want to lose as far as the content goes in, and you've seen how much in detail I've explained things. And that's all. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.